There are going to be lots of changes coming in 2019 that can affect the small, medium businesses. One of the biggest changes coming in 1st of April 2019 is a payday filing. So if you have a staff and you need to file your payroll, traditionally you would have filed it on 20th of each month for the month prior to that. From 1st of April, all the information from your staff will be filed as soon as you pay your staff. So when you make a payment, the filing needs to be done at the same time. This is providing RRD with lots of updated information that makes it easier for everybody to calculate how much tax they have to pay and what they're entitled to. And for this reason, make sure if you are doing your payroll manually or with the offline softwares that you're using, you look for a provider that can provide you with the payday filing. Advise, we use Flexi Payroll, and Flexi Payroll provides payday filing. So if you need more information about that, contact us and we'll send you more information. The other thing that is happening from 1st of April is the minimum wages. That's going to have a huge effect on your cash flow, and the best thing you can do now is just review your pricing and how you deal with the client. If you are a type of business that have lots of staff, you're gonna on a minimum wages, you're gonna get suddenly hit with a huge extra expenses every week. Especially if in hospitality businesses, lots of staff are on minimum wages. Suddenly you have from $16.50 to $17.70, so $1.20 increase. And for 40 hours, if your average staff works 40 hours a week, that's going to be $48 increase every week. So if you have 20 staff, you can calculate and see how much increase on your bottom line is going to be. So your bottom line is going to reduce by quite a bit. Your cost of sale is going to increase if all your staff are dealing with the day-to-day running of the business. So if you're in a business with lots of staff and you have lots of your staff on minimum wages, have a look at your stats now and make sure your pricing is being reviewed. Otherwise, you're going to end up running your business at a loss or minimum profit, and it wouldn't be worth your while. So make sure you review that as well. The other thing happening in this year is, as a result of the payday filing, if you are a personal tax, you used to do it with these people in the shopping malls and all that. You don't have to do that. RRD will do that automatically and send you a refund. So lots of people are going to send refunds this year. Make sure that you have a MyIR account. So go to RRD website, rrd.govt.nz, and open up an account. Make sure you have an account, and that way, if you started earlier, all of your information is there, so your refund can come to your bank account straight away. You don't have to pay anybody to do it. It will happen automatically if you're just earning PAYE income and some interest and dividends. It will be all done automatically for you. The last thing is happening is with investment properties. So if you have investment property on a negatively geared situation, so you're making loss and you used to claim those losses against your personal income and receive a refund, for the next year, you're not going to be able to receive that refund. All those losses will stay on an entity and can be claimed in future time against the rental or property related income that you make in future, but you wouldn't be able to offset it against your personal income. For some of you, it might create a huge cash flow issue, because suddenly you would have received $7,000, $10,000 a year, which would offset and help you to pay for the mortgages that you were paying, but now you wouldn't be able to do that. So if that's the case, if you have a property that is negatively geared, make sure you have a chat with the accountant, make sure that you understand what's going on. And if you're relying on that refund to help you with the payment of the mortgage and all that, you need to think now and see what your strategy is going to be. Either you have to increase the rent or save some money to manage it yourself, or whatever you have to do. We have to find a solution for you so you're not going to be out of pocket and in stress for the next year. If you have any question about changes coming this year, have a click on the link below and get in touch with us, and we're more than happy to help you and guide you through the changes.